Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Please, if you have not shared, kindly share this video. Share this video. Happy weekend to you all. It's me, your brother, your friend, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwino Wodin, Coordinator General, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, CEO, Stanley Sadi Enterprise, the Sea of Oman, Edo State, as Edo people worldwide normally calls me. I think this will not be time for us to speak English. This time now for us to go directly to the point. If you know so you never click on share, share this video and invite your friend. If you never click on share, share this video and invite your friend, because what we want to talk today now for you and me. Now me go do the work. Now you will get the security. So it's going to be a symbiotic relationship. If I might sit down for ground, it's going to be a symbiotic relationship and not a parasitic one. Stanley OJ, I see you. Kevin Ibanbe, I see you. Ricky Obede, I see you. Kate Ogbemudia, I see you. Happy James, I see you. Ricky Obede, say, my number not go. They go, boss. That glow not go here, but that MTN. Where be my WhatsApp number? They go. I got on that WhatsApp number, but I never post that one. I already post that before. Now they do video now, so you can reach me with any of this number. But the other one will be glow. If they go, but when they say it go, it not will clear here until when I did town or I did side, owing to the fact that we didn't want a remote area where children they stay, and then we suffer go hide. So that area, the glow network, the fluctuate. Now, what we want to talk to you today is very, very important. Now to secure your property. But before we continue, make I bring this to our notice. Are you aware that 50%, might not say 100, might not say 80, okay, let's say 60% of those in the diaspora don't know where their land is. They only tell them, say, hey, my daughter, when they don't know their land. I have seen cases where somebody will contact me from diaspora and say, hello, comrade, I want to go and do a survey for 100 by 100. Okay, no problem. I want to do a survey for 1 by 2. They'll send me a number, say, this person, I want to take you there. That person will reach there, no land. No land. Whereas our brother is busy suffering. Our sister is busy suffering, raising resources to make ends meet. Somebody somewhere will sit down, he will watch everything. I don't see those cases. Although they don't send me, say, make I go do survey, come begin to talk about family matter. That's none of my business. If your brother buy for you or your sister buy for you, fine. If he not buy for you and you give her money, fine. I cannot be commissioned to discuss on family issues. But I have been able to report to them and say, my brother, I greet you. My sister, I greet you. Land not due. But this same person, they don't tell them before, say, we are Menenoto. If you see the land, very smooth. But at the end of the day, there is no land. So this is the time for you to secure yourself and to secure your property. I am not here to castigate Oshomole. The only government will make you of us as well, they affordable. Now, look, Benedict regime. The only government will make you of OB everybody property. Now, Basek is government. So this is the time and opportunity. There was a man who came from diaspora. He called me. I want to use the opportunity to apologize for those who don't come from diaspora. When they come and say, "Where are you? Where are you?" I not fit come. Say I not agree come. We get it clear. I not fit come. Now the work. The legbook is dey our hand, and we need to meet up. And there are some people who don't pay up front. We must do their work, because you know when you work with people who dey diaspora like this, when they commission you, say carry out an exercise, and maybe that you tell them say Tuesday, you not gonna go there on Tuesday, you not go on Wednesday, you can't go on Thursday. They say, oh, you don't shop our money, oh, help. Now that thing we no want. So we not be say we not demand rest. For those who follow us, know say throughout from the election to today, we never hold break. Apart from during marriage anniversary, we don't resume and we're going to do the job based on say some people they pay up front. Who don't pay. You know, if somebody pay you money, you're not going to do the work based on the schedule you get. That person will say, hey, he don't chop my money. Whereas not be so. So at least to some extent, this is the reason why we did very extremely engaged. So I'm appealing to the conscience of those who they follow us on this handle. My brothers and dear sisters, please. For those who don't come to Nigeria, we never see us. Now we say we know one we will see you. One we will see. In fact, we are happy to see you, because as we speak, at the end of the day, if we still see you, you know, will not sit a day where that one are normal. But because of the lebuki, the ebo, the job, where we get, so we not fit create time to come. Not be say we not value you. Not be say we not hail you. Not be say we not know say you too much. But because of the fact that we must do what is expected. Now let's go to the CFO in itself proper. I talk one word in a back community. I went to go and carry out a perimeter survey for someone. When I reached there, the land where the person the land where they survey, not be job with the seller. Now once the guy say, how come you dey survey land for community, not be community sell for you? Now their report come say, please share this video. Now that report come say, that particular land wey you dey see so, the initial owner wey buy that land don die. Now him children dey sell am now. Wetin happen? Over 10,000 plots, 100 by 100 into 10,000. This man buy the land at a cost of about 20,000 naira for 100 by 100. I mean 30,000 for 100 by 100. Then from the double committee, excuse me, Ido will not believe say development will come. As at that time, they were happy to receive that money. As the man buy the land, he surveyor. As surveyor, now he don't go apply for C of O. Come go apply for C of O. Excuse me. The man can go apply for C of O. Government can grant and C of O. When he don't reach this time, the man not be alive again. He don't go carry bulldozer. The one who entered that 10,000 plot. Now the man children come and say, this place is owned by our father. Don't go say, come, where on earth will you buy a land at about 20,000 naira for 100 by 100? It can never happen. And at the end of the day, we say, we go share the land, we'll give them one part, we'll take some. We don't feel for it. Now the children say, you go live for. We bought and we paid. These are documents to the Fed. Now they drag the entire court. Court rules say the man I get land. The children should continue to go and sell. The principle of quick plateau, solo said it came into play. The man, as we speak, now they sell land to that area. Now he will not get land for the full of that territory. Now the man be busy to sell. Not because say the man get land document where community give and not be make him. It is because the man have a C of O. I post a video in respect to issues that happen in Okoromi. A client of mine, may just call me, I don't know, the thing just sweet me once. And I say, I see pinch chance, man, will not be local. Because they pretend like say nothing, you know, sweet. It's sweet. Say sweet now. So use hand thing on. Who no fit wait more go get cutting board. If I cutting board, not them not go to pretend like say they say they wrong. Now broom level I want use, but I know say broom fit bust the eardrum. Now just use hand thing on. Now, when you have a CFO, you know the issue. When I post this video some few days ago, my client get land. He do CFO deal with her. Then there was an issue between Okoromi and Egberi. The man bought from Okoromi. Egberi come. The man went to go and meet Egberi. He gave them, he settled and paid. He applied for his CFO. He get 2 documents. That is a company I will buy from the 2 committees. As we speak, some disgruntled element went to that land where you have a perimeter fence. They break the fence, go sell for inside the land. I definitely tell you now before, say, if you like, you fence your land. If you like, you build them. It never guarantees that you get a land. If not because CFO, when my client get now, before nothing they talk, who don't buy. They break the fence. They not send fence, they break out. You know when boys don't hungry? They break the fence, they enter inside, go set the land, and somebody somewhere they work for them. Now storage, they now tell them, say, hello, yeah. So what you do is say they work, you buy this land now, so you buy the land, no problem. Then they already call my client, say, hello, I can't talk about the matter. Now tell my client, say, if you want to discuss with them, I will end my contract with you. I cannot have a CFO and be negotiating. What are you negotiating? That okay, we can say, it don't happen. Because the community will always say, we not put no, it don't happen. But you give it the way they back. Down way they back now somebody you. You already have a CFO on this land. So I cannot be part of any negotiation. I cannot be part of any negotiation. If you want to negotiate, I will end my contract with you. Because I cannot be advocating for CFO on a daily basis. And see, during the time for CFO to act, I was supposed to sit down for chair and they say, very well. I said, no. All parties must meet in court. All parties must meet in court. Let's go to court. If you're not going to go to court, me go come serve you paper. Me go meet for court. May you tell who share for you. May go bring who share for me, for my client. Then may go bring the CFO of my client on that land. Then may you bring the CFO because there is not 2 CFO on one land. It can never happen. My client cannot have a CFO and you say more cost than more to discuss. What do you want to talk? I bet not you have to leave the land. No. So I cannot subject it to negotiation. Get yourself prepared. We will meet in court. We will meet in court. That is the focal point. Not going to tell me say, no, more consent. If you be my client, this kind of thing happen to you, and you call it us a comrade, and you know say where they stay, we no need to quarrel. Don't just call me. We do what we call fight to finish. When you have all the documents, no miscreant whatsoever. Then look at one case now. I'm doing CFO for somebody. I know I mentioned the name of the community. One disgruntled chairman in the name of chairman, where don't disband, sees a land document of my client. Say, may go bring more money. I tell my client, say, leave him. And I'm going to walk up to him and collect that document from him. Document where elders and the young way of the committee sign. You will be one small boy in the name of chairmanship because it's a should go. Seize the document. We'll go there peacefully to collect the document. If he refuses to bring the document and we get evidence of payment which is on ground, this is just a clear gateway to prison. And he's going to be a candidate of Oko prison. is going to be a candidate of Okoprison. This time not be time when it depend matter. So the truth of the matter is very simple. If you buy land, you never do C of O. Brother, sister, wake up. Now who gets C of O? Now get land. It is the truth. It might pain some person for the idea saying allow, but not the fact. Now let's take an example. If me were there here say, here when I did so have a C of O, I cannot be doing a C of O to people. For people, me no go do for myself. I have a C of O here. If you say no nonsense here for no level. If me were there in Nigeria, not if you go my land every day by day. Now you were there abroad, what if you go your land? The day you go shock as you reach your land, somebody will put foundation. This is not peculiar to one community, it's every community in Edo State. That land where you tell they say my land, you will be shocked. Somebody somewhere will put foundation. And one thing I don't observe for many Edo people want to see. They let Wahala come first before they secure themselves. Hello, come here, now let's go and do see your zeke. Oh, go here, 2 months. Where have you been? Where have you been? You want problem to hit you first before you secure what belongs to you. Let me quickly tell you this. If you pay money to community for land, that money will never come back. Police have no right to discuss about land. So if you go report to police, go to say that police say go do and worry my police. Police can only involve in land case on the ground say they ban them. I tell the ban them, they'll tell you say because land case is civil case, police don't get right to discuss on land. Police have no right to discuss on land. But police will not tell you, go say, Mr. John came to raise a petition that Mr. Osakwano wouldn't want to kill him because of his land. Then the police will not be using the criminal case, kill, to address the land issue. Say they're not paying, say you say you want to kill him. Police have no right to discuss about land. So if you think say you go say, don't worry, I will go and arrest them. Police will be see. I don't know what will happen now because I believe we now have a refined police after the exercise. But as at then, police will just eat from the both sides. They'll leave them and continue in a battle. The only group that have a right to discuss on land is what we call the rent tribunal. Rent tribunal. You know the rent tribunal. Now where you feel drag landlord and tenant, everything related to land, it is saddled on the basis of the fact that the rent tribunal is in charge. Then the courts have a right. The court in general have a right to discuss about land, but the police have no right. That's why some people go say, why on earth fight happen for they say Fulani men rush into it and so committee, kill 700 people, burn the whole committee, police did not arrest anybody. Let me quickly tell you, a communal crisis is a civil case. A communal crisis is a civil case. Elect 100,000 people die, not civil case. That is why when you go to a station, you want to go report, the police will say, oh, the matter, the community matter. Go and check. It is a civil case. So, if you say maybe you say, no worry, I get influence, I will crash it. Police get where you go to. You don't know it. Tell police, say, police, you have addressed the criminal matter in this. You have no right to discuss on this land. Nothing will happen. They will just eat your money both sides. You need the strongest document, CFO, because you have your land. where you get. The next land when you are the same document you two get. The difference is that Mr. John signed this one, Mr. Peter signed this one. You all have the same document. But when you have a C of O, it distinguishes your document from the other documents. It distinguishes your document from other documents that is available. So we say, now who gets C of O, get land, not be threat. There is not two C of O on one land. You know, it is for this to this and this to that. You were the diaspora. You know they finish your land every day. You say, no, I'm not saying now, not be me. It is better you secure your issue now to avoid future fight. And you say, no worry me for Edo State, nobody be Superman. Secure your property today, and you will not regret it. If a man who fenced his land and put a gate, somebody can go there to destroy and sell it, what else are you expecting? You see fence. So some people say, we don't want to see if I know you don't dig foundation. Are you aware that when you dig foundation and you lay block, they will feel root down. They'll remove your block one after the other. You talk to empty land. Protect yourself today. A word is enough for the wise. I just want to be laconic and direct to the point. More discussion will come in subsequently, but certainly not today. If I even be able to discuss now, I don't tire. Because I promised 10 o'clock. I will not come again. A bit worrying. Might go relax. But I want to say a very big thank you to all our fans and followers, and for those who are patronizing us. Let's be sincere to ourselves. We say we don't tire. Who be we if not be opportunity? We will not give. If everybody cook for one person, the person will tire. But if one person cook for everybody, no fit. So I want to say a very big thank you to all the people worldwide, because the help is enormous. And don't tell you say because they work for you and now you pay for us. Say, is it not working? And dear brothers and sisters, not believe me to do that job. People do it, but you choose to use me. And you say I should not be grateful. I am most grateful. Thank you very much, people worldwide. May God continue to replenish your pocket. May God continue to bless you all for your effort. I am Musa Winokudi, and I want to cut this video here by saying a big bye for now. Thank you, and have a lovely night rest. For those watching me in the night, good morning for those who are in the morning, good afternoon, good evening. He said, bro, can you use one C of O for 4 land at a time? No, you cannot use one C of O. They cannot even give you, you don't even need to talk on. They can't give you, you say one land, no, except that land now, one. They'll carry one C of O. Say, you say, me, get my own, become a friend. Everybody must have their C of O. What you need to do, what you are saying is the tax letter. If you have a land in Amagba, and it is written Osakunokodi on the paper, one in Iguomo, Osakunokodi on the paper, one in Aho, Osakunokodi on the paper, you don't need to pay twice. You only pay that 100,000 naira for tax, and we cover all these applications. So you just need to understand all this. You don't need to pay tax twice. For as long as they are the same name, even if it is 50 billion lands, you have a right to use it. I think I've answered that question. Sleep, don't worry me. Una good night. Thank you very much. I'm grateful. Bye for now. Osa Winokodi.